Have you ever looked at the side of a milk carton with a photo of a missing child and thought to yourself, what a shame, but thank God it's not my child? Now fast forward, you're watching the news. You see a headline, man sentenced to federal prison for failing to file a tax return. And you think, what a shame, but thank God it's not me. And then you nod to yourself. Because I file, you say, I comply. I pay my fair share. But here's the question. Have you ever wondered why that story made it onto the news at all? Was it really to shame the man, or was it to shame you? You see, the IRS doesn't run a public awareness campaign every April to inform you. They run a compliance campaign to condition you. Each year, they roll out a new poster child, a face, a name, a criminal, not to bring justice, but to trigger your fear, because fear keeps you obedient. Fear keeps you filing. Fear keeps you in line, even if you never once questioned whether you were lawfully obligated to pay. And the truth is, most Americans never do question it. You'll fill out forms, you'll sign under penalty of perjury, you'll submit documents, not because you understand, but because you're afraid not to. Here's the deeper irony. If you ever did question it, if you ever asked why the tax applies to you, you'd find silence, confusion, or worse, punishment. Because the system is not designed to answer your questions. It's designed to make sure you never ask them. My name is James Johnson. I asked these questions, and I paid the price. And I wrote a book that's not a theory, not a rant, but a record of what happens when you dare to say no more. That book is Restoring the American Republic. Read it, and you'll discover what no IRS agent, judge, or lawyer will ever tell you. Because the tax system is not about funding roads or schools. It's about control, and they are controlling you. Go to jamesbowersjohnson.com and read the truth, and then visit tothepresidentoftheunitedstates.com.